Look, artist reveals step-by-step painting process that moved Jürgen Klopp. German coach said goodbye to Liverpool after the end of the season. After his farewell game with Liverpool in the last round of the Premier League at home, Jürgen Klopp was honoured by Abigail Rudkin, the artist who produced a painting with several flags and decorations for the legendary German coach. A few weeks ago, the Reds announced the replacement of one of the most important commanders in the history of the English club, Arne Slot, ex-Feyenoord, after Clark's 8-year stay. Jürgen Klopp was one of the most important coaches in the history of Liverpool, which since its foundation in 1892, prioritised the long work of coaches. In total in the history of the Anfield team, the club had only 21 commanders. Furthermore, the German won 7 titles in charge of Liverpool, and helped the team win its first Premier League, after its creation in the 1992-93 season, and led the legendary Reds generation to win the Champions League in the 2018-19 season. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and don't miss the next videos.